Show you how to paint a watercolor beach landscape into beautiful bookmarks. The top over here have a little light, right? So I'm gonna have that a little light. Keep that. It need to be covered by color. Make it something meaningful because this is gonna be the gift. All the figures are darker than the background, so no need to worry about painting around the figure, okay? Now I see the top of the beach. I'm gonna see the light. Some a little bit darker on the beach over here. Get a little bit more yellow, a little bit more red, but also a little bit blue. Okay, here we go. Now I'm gonna from the bottom over here. I can make it a little bit softer. We need to make some clouds. So I'm gonna have the red and the blue color that make it a little dark color. Okay, get a little bit more red. I'm gonna put that right here. And that when this is wet, it's very easy to do that. And have something coming up down over here. Tap on it. This is fine. So a little bit cloud over here too. Like that. I'm gonna have that coming up like this. Just a little bit shape. It's suggesting just a little bit hill. That's good. Continue. Had some little shape. Brush that some of them coming over. Now we're gonna start painting the figures. First mix the dark color. Just get the red and the blue color together. It's already very dark. I'm gonna put the body first. Put the larger shape. Here we go. Draw the smaller shape a little bit later, okay? Like that. Coming this one leg. Bend a little bit. This one. Now we're gonna put the head. The head right in here. Always do the bigger shape than the smaller shape. Going down to the reflection. Okay, like this. A little bit zigzag shape. And now coming over here. That's good. And over here too. I have a little bit dotted line showing the arm. I'm gonna use a little bit lighter color. A little bit softer. Right over here. Like that. That's good enough suggestions. The paintings are already dry.